Hi, my name is Hamid Fatih. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about automate code review with AI on our local machine. First, let me ask you, what do you know about Git hooks? Git hooks are like little programs that run automatically when you do something in Git, like committing or pushing your code. They help you run checks or automate tasks before or after these actions. In this video, we will explore an idea. What if we use a Git pre-commit hook to send our code changes to an Ollama model like Quen Coder for code review? The AI can then give us feedback in a structured format with suggestions grouped by importance, for example, critical, high, medium, low. Based on that feedback, we can decide whether to go ahead with the commit or stop and fix something first. So as I mentioned, we use Ollama and Quen 2.5-coder with the 7 billion parameters. If you have better hardware, you can choose the other model or more parameters. But first, make sure you have Ollama installed and then pull this model. Now I need a project, a simple C# project. So let me create it. I have an empty my sample folder here, so let me open the terminal for it, and then I need to first create a global JSON to make sure about the SDK I'm using. This will be 9. Afterward, I want to create a console app, and afterward, I need a solution file, and I need add project to the solution, and that's it. So let me run just the application to show you what is inside, and then we will continue. So it's just a simple console write line with the hello world here. Uh, so what we want to do, we want to get the differences of the code. We did it from the Git, and afterward pass it to the AI. So it's important I just send codes and my necessary files. So I need to ignore other files from my Git. So first I need to create a .gitignore file. So I will back to the folder and I will create it here. .gitignore. And let me open it. You can use toptal.com to create your gitignore. For this example, it's okay. It's really good one, but I'm not sure it's the best choice for your enterprise application because it's better you create your gitignore to know what you ignored exactly. But for this project, I will use this Visual Studio Code and Writer here. Then I copy the content and paste it in here. So I can keep my Git differences as compact as it should be. So let's move it. Okay. So now it's the time to init the Git. So I will call git init and back to the folder. And now, as you can see, there is a hidden folder .git here, and the hooks folder inside it, which is really important for us in this video. And there is a pre-commit sample. Okay. To use the pre-commit or the others, you need to remove this extension. It should be without extension. And then I can open it and remove this content and paste my content. I will explain it. Just before reviewing this code, I need to install something else. As I mentioned, we want to get the differences and pass it to Ollama. Ollama has an endpoint. I discussed about Ollama a lot in previous videos, so you can just check them. We need to pass the text to Ollama, and Ollama needs a JSON uh, in the body of a post, and we need to pass it as a JSON. So I need a command line tool to do this for me. So let me show you how you can download it. In here in the jqlang.org, there is a tool, a tiny tool to do this for us. JQ is a command line tool to use for JSON data. It helps us to read, filter, format, modify, or generate JSON in the terminal. So based on your operation system, you can install it. And whenever you did it, add it in your path environment. Afterward, you can check it with the JQ -- version. And as you can see, it's already installed on my machine. So let's back to the pre-commit hook. So with the git diff command, I just got the differences of my code from git and save it in the variable. And then I'm check if nothing is there, say no state changes found. Then, as I said, we should pass our text as a JSON. So we need to have an escaped version of the difference for double quote and new line. So you can use this line. Don't worry about this file. As always, my code are available in my GitHub, and links are also available in the description. So the next things I want is system prompt. As you can see, I asked AI to behave as a senior software engineer and expert code reviewer with deep expertise in clean code, design patterns, software architecture, and I need information about security and bugs, clean code, best practice, design patterns, performance, and code quality. So the AI will give us a lot of hints about these topics. Then I asked the AI to clarify it, and classify them in four severities: critical, high, medium, low, because I need to find them in final result, the final feedback, and based on that, I want to know, should I commit or no, just block it and ask a developer to fix them first. Then I said AI should looking for clear explanations, specific suggestions, code examples, and the other things. As I said, the final format for me is really important because I want to make a decision. So first I mentioned, okay, always start with issue, and then severity level and description. So based on it, I can use regular expression to find how many critical or high or low or medium are there. And then it's important, if none of them are there, we have an approved word there. If there is one, AI shouldn't use the approved word. So the next part is creating the payload. As I said, we need JQ to create this payload, and I'm using QEncoder. The system prompt, we discussed about it, and in the user message, I just asked, I need a comprehensive code review based on this git diff. And then I pass the escape diff to it. We don't need a streaming. I just passed some options to Ollama model, and that's it. Afterward, we just need to echo about what we are doing. and then we use curl to pass it to this famous endpoint of Ollama as an application JSON content type, and then get the message.content as a result. Now it's time to check the feedback, and based on the regular expression in the grep, I'm looking for critical, high, medium, and low and count them. Okay? When I did it, I want to make sure if approve is there and there is no critical, high, medium, low count, all of them are 0, then just commit. Commit will proceed. But if there is a critical, just reject it. If there is a high, reject it. If there is more than 3 medium hints, reject it. It's less. Mention there are some issues there and inform the developer. For medium and low with the 0 or 1 shouldn't be a problem. And in the end, if everything happened, we should just say, okay, code review completed, no blocking, and there is no problem if none of them happened. Okay, I guess it's time to test. So let me open the Visual Studio again and try it together. First, we need to commit this code and see how AI works. Shouldn't be any problem, I guess. So let me commit it first, and it will use as our baseline. So back to the terminal, and then git add dot here. And afterward, I need to commit it. This is the time the hook commit should show. Yes, this is our text and information echoed. So let's see. Okay, nice. As you can see, this is a comprehensive code review result. And no critical, high, medium, or low found. And this is commit approved. Very well. So let me back to the Visual Studio and do something. Now I want to use console write line twice. Let me commit it and back to the command line and add it to the Git again. Let me use this one and now commit time. Let's see what will happen. Okay, nice. We have one medium. Let's see. Oh, AI understood. Issue medium duplicate code. Wow, it's really nice. But based on our rules, commit approved because we have less than 3 medium hints. So it's really nice. So let's see if we can do something else or not. I want to go for this code now. Let me back to Visual Studio. And I want to use this one. This is more about division by 0. Okay, I have a I, J, and K and a hint here. So as you can see, the hint here is about, okay, this is 0 and it's useless, but I need something more. I need to tell me, okay, this is a critical issue and division by 0. Let me just commit the code and see AI can help me or not. CLS again and git add and git commit now. Wow. Critical issue 1, medium 1, commit rejected. Let's see. Issue critical division by 0 error, and explained it very well in my opinion. And also the medium is variable naming could improved, which is really nice. Yes, I, J, and K is not really obvious what for. And as you can see, we are able to use AI as a local code review assistant on our machine, and it helps us to improve our code and process of developing. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more coding tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next time. Goodbye.